Hi Fire TV fans, welcome to How to Install Zone. I'm Sarah, and today we're customizing your Amazon Fire TV with Projectivy Launcher, the latest 2025 APK that ditches Amazon ads for a sleek, personalized home screen. It's safe and easy, but use a VPN for privacy. Let's install it in 1 minute. Step 1. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About. Then tap your device name 7 times until it says Know You Developer. Step 2. Install Downloader from the Amazon App Store and launch it. Step 3. Enter the code 9700771 and hit Go to download the latest v4.68 APK. Install it, then done. Step 4. Open Projectivy, grant permissions, and set it as default launcher when prompted. Say yes to replace Amazon's. Pro tip: customize widgets in settings for your fave apps. Voila! Ad-free Fire TV bliss. Like if this upgraded your setup. Subscribe to How to Install Zone for more 2025 hacks. And comment your custom tips below. Stream smart. See you next time.